All right, so we got inspired. It's Sunday, and this is arts and crafts time for us. We got inspired by some YouTube videos and some memes that we saw about people using bras to make masks. So what we decided to do was we took some old bras that I don't wear very much anymore, and we have decided that we were gonna make a mask out of this. Okay?
What's up?
All right, good. So we'll start with this one first, see if this actually works. Okay, so first thing, cut that.
This is not gonna work.
Hey, don't say that. We haven't tried it yet. Okay, so then the next thing is to cut around here. Okay, good. And then cut this there. Okay, so now I think the idea is that we're supposed to take this, because one is going to be one strap and the other is going to be the other strap. Okay.
This is crazy cooker bananas.
Okay, good. All right, so let's see here. I don't know if this is going to work. What do you think?
Weird.
Okay, I don't know. What do we do about this? Maybe if we cut some eyes in it.
Yeah. Good idea.
Good idea? Okay. 1, 2. All right. Let's see how this goes here. Eye. Another eye. Okay. Okay, good. Here we go. Wait, hold on. That's not gonna work either. Okay.
No work.
No works? Can you see? Oh my God, that's so funny. Okay, well, as you can see, this doesn't work for everybody. It was fun though. We got to destroy something. So. You're so funny.